fuck, got a nigga, real bitch, fuck, got a nigga, real bitch, fuck, got a nigga, real bitch, give a fuck, got a nigga, real bitch, fuck, got a nigga, fuck, got a nigga, fuck, got a nigga, fuck, got a make it clap like you got it right, make it got it right.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another makeup video, and for this makeup video that I will be doing, I will be doing a pink look, because as y'all know, we are in the month of October, which is Pinktober, okay, and we have to wear it pink and also share awareness of breast cancer. So this makeup look that I will be doing today will be in association of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, hence why it will be a pink look. So I will be explaining the eyeshadow and the lips, but not really the face part, because the face part is pretty much pretty much the same thing that I do in every video. I always say that. But if you want an in-depth foundation routine, let me know and I'll definitely do one. But for now, I will be mainly focusing on the lips and on the eyes, because again, I am doing this video in association with the breast cancer awareness, and the lips are pink, the eyes are pink, so I will be focusing mainly on the eyes and the lips. Okay, so I started out by priming my eyes with my MAC eyeshadow primer. You could use whatever eyeshadow primer you have, and I will be going in with the Morphe 35B palette. And I started out with that bright pink, almost like a neon pink, and I'm just putting that all over my crease. Now I am going in with that pinkish but not so bright pink, pretty much almost like a pastel pink, and I'm going in with that to blend out the outer corners of the creases that I did with the neon pink. So now all I'm doing right now is just cutting the crease, and I'm just going to go back in with the same eyeshadow primer that I used originally to start you know, out the eyeshadows. And how I do it, I place it on in the middle of my eyes and look up wherever it touches, wherever the bottom, I can't even say the lid because I'm on the bottom lid, well, wherever it touches after opening my eyes, I just pretty much use that as a guide to where I want to cut the crease. I'm just gonna cut the crease right now, and then I'll get back to you guys. So now for the eyeshadows that I'll be using on the cut crease, I'll be going in with the white eyeshadow in the palette, and I'll just be putting it in the inner creases of my eyes, and I'm just going to be going in a patting motion. I won't be pulling or like swiping it on or anything like that. I'm literally just patting it on, and the more I pack on is the more pigmented it becomes. So if you want to have a lot of pigment, or if you want it to be really pigmented, you just have to just pat on more. The more you pat on, it's more pigmented it will be, but you have to be careful not to pat on too much, because then it will start creasing up, because it's going to be heavy and you might mess it up. So don't pat on too much, but obviously you're gonna pat on enough to make it very pigmented. So now for the second color, for the crease, I will be going in with the another pinkish, but more like a pastel pink color, and that color is the color that is under the first color that I used. So if you have the palette, it's literally going from the white in the palette, the one that is literally under the one from the palette. No, what the hell. So that's pretty much it for the eyeshadows. I'm just gonna be going back in with another pink shade that I had in the same palette, and I'm just gonna blend out the outer part of that light pink that I used to kind of get the creases to blend in with the cut crease. And then I'm just going to add my liner and then my lashes. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys just pretty much watch the rest of the video, because it's nothing extra that I will be doing for the rest of the video. I'll come back when I'm doing the lips, but for now it's pretty much the liner and the lashes that I will be putting on. So the lashes that I will be wearing today is from my lash line, and I'll be wearing the style LEXY, and the box is also pink, guys. So this is, it was just meant to be, okay? Like literally, I love pink so much, so I'm so happy that it's Pinktober. But yeah, if you guys have not yet purchased your lashes, please do go ahead and do so. Like, support your girl, so I could continue making videos for you guys. I will be leaving the links in the description box if you guys want to purchase your lashes. I am doing a promotion right now for the breast cancer awareness. So for the whole entire month of October, I'm doing free shipping. So shipping is normally $20. It's now free, okay? You literally only have to pay for your lashes. And also my wigs are on the website as well, and I'm doing free shipping also on the wigs. So it's pretty much on the entire website that I'm doing free shipping. So you guys do not want to miss out. Like, it is a great deal, okay? But yeah, now I'm just going to be putting on my lashes and doing the rest of my face. So foundation, highlight, contour, and all of that stuff, you know? Yeah. So now on to the lips. My phone is so annoying. It always chooses to come in at the wrong time. Okay? But yeah, now on for the lips. On to the lips. The lip liner that I'm using right now is the Chestnut Lip Pencil, and it is the MAC liner. Chestnut is the color. And then I went in with the Folk Allure matte lips, and this is in the color Rudy Pink. And then to give it a little bit of shine, a glossy look, I went in with the MAC Dazzle Glass, and this is in the color Salmon. Okay, and that is the combination for my lips. So this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share breast cancer awareness, read on it, be more aware, get involved, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, click that notification button so you are notified, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
Looking at a lame and he famous. Clout chasing all different angles. Little nigga don't know it get dangerous. Ooh, ooh.